trucks in Illinois. In fact, I missed a lot of them. I forgot to pick up my camera till just now. All the trucks up here, boy. Part of the reason why the roads are so raggedy. All the big trucks. Look at them. This might be the truck capital. So many trucks up here don't make sense. This is ludicrous. Could only imagine the amount that's behind me. Just picked up a load out of Illinois over here close to Chicago. I can't remember the name of the little city. Going across to Indiana. This is crazy amount of trucks. There's more trucks on the road than it is cars. This is why the rates are so cheap. Look at all the trucks. It's ridiculous. See you in my next one. And it's still going. Nothing but trucks. Wow. Yeah, this is why the rates are so cheap. Up here in Chicago.